Hey guys, welcome to channel. My channel is Mr. Samal. Today we are saying that a future skill and primer is bringing a very good opportunity to everyone. They are providing a free courses on their platform Python programming. Who is interested for Python programming, they can apply for this course. And let's look out what subject we should learn about from there. So they will teach you like follow chats and getting stats and convolutions and loops. They will give the idea about what is loops, operations. They will give that idea about patterns and operations. What is that operations and what is the follow chats. You will get the ideas from this topic. So micro contains flexible duration also is there. The duration is given 20 hours and the skill type of the you can see here. So the cost is very free. They are not charging any fees from you. So you can sit anywhere, you can learn from anywhere. Is it? So it's a pathway. Course is type of format is the self-placed. You can sit anywhere and you can do this course from any kind of system. Yeah, mobile. Okay. So software tools and programming languages. Okay. So they will given the badges also. You will get when you complete this course. So you will get the badges also here, and you will get the certificate also. It's a very good genuine platform, and it's a very good genuine platform also is there. Okay, then now we are looking the next opportunity. We are looking about it. So Minister of Government also providing a free courses to you all everyone. So you can apply for. They also providing courses, free courses. So you can improve the round complexity 2 lakh point persons in next 5 years. This is the objectives. This is site, and I will give the link about this video discussion. I put this site's video link. You can go and visit on this link. Okay, you will get it. So there is a some courses is available, types of skilling programs. So you can apply for it, but this is not for general, and you can only apply for like OBC and SC people can apply for these things. Okay, they are written very clearly here. The training, of course, the training 100 general by government spend. You will get the stipend also from here, 1000 to 1500 something you will get, and monthly per trainings, and 80% above attention is short term. This is short term also training is there, long term training also is there. So you can take the other information from the site only. Everything is given here. You can check out from here. Every you are going to FQA. So they will given a detailed notes on here. So what is PM Dasa and what is the mean by objective PM Dasa? You can ask any questions to here and you will get the answer also. So that's all. I think if you like this video, please subscribe it. If you like this video, and if you have found any mistake on this videos, we can chat us. Bye.